Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Google account in your Android device. So first of all, you're going to have to head over to your settings application. Scroll all the way below until you see accounts and backup. Tap onto it and then at the top page you will see manage accounts. Open it. Under manage account you will see all the Google accounts that you have simply logged into in your device. Go ahead and select a specific Google account which you would like to remove from this device. Now right at this section, you will see remove account. Tap onto it. It says removing this account will delete all of its contact, calendar, so on and so forth. Go ahead, confirm your action, and this Google account will be removed. However, you can still log into your device after you enter the credentials. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.